We've seen an improvement in our overall safety statistics, upwards of maybe 30% increase. Hi, I'm John Somerville. I'm Fleet Safety Manager for Veit and Companies, Safety Manager for Veit Disposal, which is our roll-off division, and Safety Manager for Vonco, our landfills. So we're driving straight trucks, roll-off trucks, boom trucks, and managing all of those drivers and vehicles makes it very complex. I was looking for a unicorn, something to where it would be one system that I could do all of the stuff related to drivers, but not just a system. I wanted to change the safety culture with motive, and what I was looking for, I was always looking something that was based more on behavior-based safety. Initially, the amount of people that had cell phones in their hands while they're driving a truck, it absolutely floored me. We started with, just putting the cameras in, letting them get used to what they are, what they do. We went from like 39 miles per severe event up to 303 miles in like a 2-month period. That was huge, huge. And the only thing that I did in between there was I turned on the in-cab alerts. So that was that proactive behavior-based safety. And we try to be very proactive on that stuff. The ones that I would consider zero tolerance: cell phones, seatbelt, stop sign violations. But all of those numbers, since we started installing the dual-facing dash cameras, have dropped significantly. The rolling stops are down approximately 50%. With safety and compliance and vehicle inspections and all of it wrapped into one system, it makes it so much faster. So some of our compliance, if the regulation, I said, how much time does motive save you? And he said, it saves me 20 hours a month. But he said it's so accurate that he was able to do it, and he's able to pull that report, and he's done like that. The liability payout has decreased. And this year, knock on wood, there's wood around here somewhere, so far, 0 paid out for 2025. So I'm passionate about it because it was a decision that I made, and you guys have my back. It's awesome.